Hey guys, what's up glam fam? I know it's been a minute since I have filmed a beauty video. I've been doing all my home videos, but I'm coming today with a beauty video, makeup and hair. I thought I'd give you a double dose because it's been a minute. But I'm reviewing a wig today, which I'm super excited about. As you see, I'm wearing right now. So I'm gonna give you the deets on this beauty look that I did today, this makeup look, and this hair. So you're gonna wanna stay tuned. And also, if you are new, please go ahead and subscribe down below. I would love to have you part of the glam fam. And yeah, let's get into it. All right, so first we're gonna go in with the brows. I like to use the LA Colors Brow Wowie, it's called, and I believe it's in the color Espresso. So I'm gonna go in with that. And yeah, I just like to comb my brows out with the end because it comes with a brush on one side, which is really helpful. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and fill my eyebrows in. All right, so I have my eyebrows all nice and done, but we are gonna go in. I like to go in with my actual foundation that I'm gonna put on my face, which is the Milani Conceal and Perfect. So I'm gonna go in with that underneath my eyebrows to clean them up. All right, so I have my eyebrows nice and cleaned up. So I'm gonna go in now. I like to do my eyes before I do my foundation. So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out what color I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna go in between the She Bad Cosmetics palette and my Zodiac palette. I think we're gonna do probably like a peach pink kind of look. I think I'm gonna go with that. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out what colors I'm gonna use from the palettes and then apply them to my eyes. All right, so since I have the darker color on my upper eye for my lids, I'm gonna go in with like a lighter color. I think I'm gonna stick with my Zodiac palette, and I'm gonna probably do like the tan shade here, which is the Leo on the palette. So I think I'm gonna go in with that one and we'll see how it looks. So I really like that eye combo that I did there. I'm gonna actually take that same color and go in on my brow bone, just above the peach, to make it all blend and come together. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my NK Makeup, the multi-function mascara, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that on my eyelashes before I apply my actual eyelashes on top. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with some old eyelashes actually that I have. No girl likes to waste eyelashes. I know I don't, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply those on. I don't remember where they are from. But yeah, I'm just gonna throw those on top of my eyelids to finish my eye look, and then we're gonna move on to the foundation. Okay, so I got my eyelashes nice and applied. So next I'm gonna go in with my foundation, And with my foundation, I'm gonna use the Matte Poreless by Fit Me. I like to go in between these two, the Milani and the Matte Fit, because my skin tone's kind of weird. Sometimes I'm lighter, some days I'm darker. I don't even ask how that happens, but it does. So I like to mix both of them so I can get like the perfect match. Would you just look at this coverage? Like, those two just give me the best coverage and that flawless finish. So next I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Stick Foundation. This is one of my favorites. It goes on really smooth, and I like how it just applies really smooth under my eyes. And I'm gonna put it on my nose, chin, and my lower jawline. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance palette. This is new, I just opened this right now. I've never tried it out, but I thought I would try it out today. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that out and see what it do. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with the airspun, which I'm super excited about. This is my first time trying this as well. I heard about this from Aaliyah J, so I'm gonna go in with that. And I've heard nothing but good things about this product, so I'm so excited to try it out. So yeah, this is like a first time review right now, so let's get into it. Okay, so I let that sit for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Lancome foundation. I'm gonna wipe it away first just to see what all the hype is about. And let's see if we have to add any foundation in, which I'm gonna probably do anyway to overall set it. So let's see, we're gonna go ahead and dust it away. And all right, so I do see just a little bit of whiteness. So, I mean, maybe it holds the makeup really good throughout the day, but I am gonna have to go in and add some of my powder foundation on top and go ahead and make it more blendable with my skin, I should say. So, yeah, let me go ahead and all right, now that I have my foundation on, I'm starting to really love it. It's looking more, what's the word? It's looking more satisfying to me. So I can kind of see what the hype is all about. It's giving me that matte, perfect, flawless look. So yeah, we're gonna wear this all day and just see how it does me before I can fully judge. So next I'm gonna go in with my Cover FX And I'm gonna use, sorry it's a little broken, but I'm gonna use my blush powder here to go on my cheeks. Alright, so next I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty. I like to use this as a highlighter. I just dab a little bit on my cheekbones, up the bridge of my nose, and a little bit above my lips. It just gives me that glow that I'm looking for. So this is my secret highlighted look. Alright, so next I'm going to go back into my Zodiac palette. I'm going to use that darker color that I used on my eyes, underneath my eyes, to really make my eyes pop. While we're in here, I'm just going to get a pop of gold. It's the Cancer color, and I'm going to just put that in the very corners of my eyes really quick to give it that glow in the inner corner of my eye. Next, I'm gonna go back in with my NK mascara and do the bottom lash. Alright, so last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the lips. So I think I'm gonna go for more of a natural look. I'm gonna actually go back in with my LA Colors brow pencil. I like to use it as a liner as well. So we're gonna go ahead and go in and line my lips, and I'll decide on the lip color and let you guys know in a minute. So I already kind of tried some on, but I'm gonna go in by the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip, and it's like a pinkish nude color. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that now. All right guys, so we got our lips all together. I really love this natural look with this makeup look today. So the last thing we're gonna do is the Black Radiance Dewy setting spray. I really like this stuff so much. It gives me that dewy look. Even though we are kind of going for a matte, it gives me that matte but dewy look because I don't want to look too dry, so it's perfect. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray that all over. And we're gonna let that dry, and I'll be back with the finished product once I get my hair together. And yeah, stay tuned for that. So I am so honored to be able to be sponsored by LUVME Hair. So this is the box it comes in. I love the wrapping on this. You just easily pull that off and open up the box. And then you're greeted by this beautiful note. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. Helena, the founder of LUVME Hair. I love that. So inside it is the bag of hair. I got 14 inches in the UPART. I love how they put it in this really cute LUVME bag, so you can keep your wig safe when you are not using it. So once you open it up and pull the hair out, it is nicely wrapped also in the netting, which is also a plus. I did get body wave, so I did notice the hair was really full, really pretty, soft to the touch, luscious. So it also comes with 3 clips on top and 1 on the nape of the neck, and also 2 straps to adjust it to your head, which is great for fitting. So here is a pamphlet with LUVME Hair on it and a cute little model. Basically like hair care tips, how to store your wig. take care of it. And on the back, it's the return and refund policy. So I love that they included that in there. Also, you get a wig cap, which also always comes in handy, and this cute little bag with a bunch of goodies in it. I really like this touch. So you got bobby pins, a cute Love Me clip, which is super adorable. I love that so much. You got some tweezers, which is awesome because it always comes in handy with our wigs, and a adjustable band. So one of the biggest items, and I couldn't even believe it, but it comes with a straightener with Love Me's logo on there, which is awesome. Like, who is just sending straighteners? So this comes free with your purchase, by the way. And last but not least, an edge wrap. These are really great for baby hairs and all of that. So yeah, let's get into it.